Bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs benefitile namhlanje and they shouldn't be ashamed bafethu. Against the North African team, I will always say a South African team should get Nabama benefits because the North Africans, they've been benefiting for years bafethu, especially in such tournaments. But in terms of the spirit of the game, obviously kills the game and it doesn't improve the game. But ke logo bafethu indaba yabo ref. In terms of the game, I think Kaizer Chiefs should have scored more goals. Right, khona opportunity ewelenya Zaga Da Silva in the first half. I think he should have ubuvele wachipha goalkeeper laphayana Kaizer Chiefs ekhoneni khona ichance ewelenya Zaga Mdusha balala. I think he should have done better. Khona ne-opportunity ewelenya Zaga Mpulemudi just chip a goalkeeper now laphayana mfethu because Nanje is trying to buy a foul, he's trying to buy that penalty and he doesn't get it. And manje bafethu Kaizer Chiefs have to go to Zamalek and beat Zamalek and hope for Izesco to either draw against Al Masry or to beat Al Masry. And bafethu, I don't want to lie, that team is a very strong team. They're a very talented team. Kaizer Chiefs, they benefited, yes, but now they got opportunities to win the game comfortably. Young Tol, they got opportunities to win the game comfortably, Bafetu. So, sesobona khona ukuthi wenzakala next week. But for now, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs, Bafetu. Salute.
A win is a win. Strange win. I don't know how we won. We also obviously got lucky with the penalty. Even the the free kick, good header in from Quinika and we tapped it in. That one's a legit goal taker, but penalty, our penalty we got lucky. We need to be honest, we got very lucky, but I will take it. And Zesco next door, Zesco beat Zamalek 1-0. That pushes us to number one. Zesco, you've done something. Zesco, you've done something strange. I thought everyone was just going to Zesco to collect, but they fought against Zamalek, beating them 1-0. That's crazy. It's all happening in CAF Confederations Cup. We are number one. So next week when we go to Cairo, Zamalek, we just need a draw. Just a draw. But we mustn't go for a draw. We must lock in, boys. Full focus. We need 3 points next week. 3 points. We need to make sure that they fear us. We install fear into the next team that we're going to play in the quarterfinals. Please. But now going back to today's game, we need to improve. From open play, we need to improve. And it's gotten to a stage. When Kaizer Chiefs gets a one-on-one, I don't get excited. I don't. Because I know the outcome. Like, we're going to miss it. One-on-ones we miss. I don't even mention names. But as soon as I saw that ball go to that one-on-one and I saw who was the receiver, I looked away. I think I looked at the Sundowns game because I knew we're missing that chance. But anyways, let's not be negative. Let's take the positives. Is that we beat Al Masry 2-1. We got our revenge on Al Masry. But defensively, guys, we need to Msimango. The way we consider the goal, you need to be stronger on your feet. But yeah, well done, boys. Now we rest this week. And we mustn't leave for Egypt Thursday, Friday. We need to leave for Egypt on Tuesday. Climatize in Egypt. We need to be there the whole week in order to get the full atmosphere because next week is pressure. It is pressure. And I wonder if it's a day or night game. If it's a night game, worse night game. We need, hopefully it's a day game, but it must probably a night game if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, boys, well done. Hard fought win.
I-Kaizer Chiefs isivele yavulela induku lapha ePulukwane kubulawa i-Al Masry ngenduku, rightfully so. Ibingekhetha njani bekufanele bashawe labantu. So this was not a great performance though by the boys, not a great performance by any stretch of the imagination, right? We need to decide, do we prioritize good football or do we prioritize results? Mina ngokwami i-results libalulekile than the good football. 3 points bahleli phezulu eligini. Shout out to Pulemodi, put in a great shift both defensively and with attack. Shout out to Flavio Silva, pressure moment converted the penalty. Shout out to defense at Kaizer Chiefs. They showed a character namhlanje as they've been doing throughout the whole season. I mean, they've got the most clean sheets in the PSL. It's just a piece which considered a goal lead. We make McCarthy, Solomons, Umonyane, Marangena second half. Game elandelayo izoba next week Saturday. Zamalek, Cairo. A draw is enough for the boys to go through to the quarterfinals of CAF Confederation.
apho bese ngisithi le weekend iyabeka kahle andazi bakuvele kwenzeka ntoni ngoba iqale kahle izolo iBhakania ladlala kahle la win ngoku benifuna babethu aba namhlanje okanye inoba ndi selfish namadoda inoba i-selfishness leyo okanye ngumona andiyazi kodwa andiyifuni mina into enhle xa isiya komnye umuntu andiyifuni mna xa kuqhwatyelwa omnye umuntu izandla mna makuqhwatyelwa iPirates iwesi omnye umuntu xa iyi-Chiefs siqhwabelane siqhwabele i-Chiefs hayi andiyifuni mna loo andiyifuni mna loo benifuna babethwe mna babantu i-Almazri benifuna babethwe kufanele ngoku sithetha into yoba babethiwe ngoku into yoba ngoku sebekwazi noskora more than 1 goal hayi ayindiphathi kahle mna loo nto leyo ngapha ne-Sundowns bendicinga iyabethwa yiLupopo yavele ya-equalize andiyazi mna le weekend uba iphela njani ngoku xa iphela kanje hayi andifuni mna iphele kanje le weekend andifuni mna into entle xa iya komnye umntu into entle mayiye kuPirates.
Yeah, so full time score Kaizer Chiefs 2 Almazri 1. At least ikhona into esiqhenya ngayo into esimisela yona ekuyiyona iCAF le yethu la iPirates engekho khona ngingene futhi la ayingeni nje iPirates
la na confed mathi
ingakho ihlele emakhaya. Anyway, ngisikhuluma ngegame yonke iKaizer mina ngiye ngathi uyiqhenya ngayo namhlanje ibhola belingekho lihle kakhulu first half bese ngawazi create ama chances okuyaphambili bengekho kuhle. Although sitholile ipenalty abanye bathi controversial ya penalty bengayona whatsoever isinqumo sika referee finally bese yilo engizoma ngakho namhlanje Da Silva sambona ishaya ipenalty yayinhle kakhulu. As for iAlmazri ikorelela goal lana general sasa zonke imsimango ngeke mfethu uzomela uqine ndoda ngoba awukwazi ushaya amaphutha njeyana uabsent ya number 1 defender kula position if engekho wena uyibackup uzodlala kanje ya awusiniki ngathi awusiniki imvuselelo yabona manje sibusizwe ngazi ukuthi uyantenga manje u4 lobu udlalo wena so awuzama uqina ndoda awuzama uqina noma sibuyisela umfana wethu lapha amakhati because bayi partnership enhle benokwenika lokho siyakwazi ke sekubona mase kuba igoal lesu lesibili lesi esikwazile uphinde sithathe lead ngalo lelo shawe khona uEden Makati iset piece ibinhle lapha na bese sikwazile ukuthi ayiflike uba kwenika noma uba ufikelela ball and then mase uEden Makati washaya la rebound washesha igoal so understandile ukudlala kweKaizer kwanamhlanje ikhombisa ukuthi ifuna ukuba serious la kwiCAF then iNedbank le sanda eliminate kuyona at least ikhona icompetition esiyifunayo because uyabona ukuthi indlela esidlala ngayo manje is like sesiyakwazi ukuregroupa in time sesiyakwazi uattacker in time sesiyakwazi counter attacker in time so Kaizer Chiefs yaqhenya ngayo kakhulu. As for umfana wenu umuntu ushabalala yena mfethu igame yakhe ibingekho yimbi ngaleyo ndlela yabo kodwa mfethu ngeke mfethu inama chances abamila abe ufinishile kona alungisela amaphutha alast game kodwa wathi ukulekha kancane futhi lento athi sikhala ngayo umdumela beclinical well angeke blame kakhulu mfana because sinayi iwini kodwa nje mfethu umdumela improve mfethu kumela improve umntu ngeke madoda kumela improve umntu kodwa iKaizer overall iwini yabo ibabeke number 1 with 10 points silandele Zamalek ena 8 points kube Almazri yathi sidla ena 7 points kube Zesco United ena 3 points ipick up iwin yokuqala against iZamalek namhlanje. Yazi le game le esiyodlala nayo iZamalek we only need 1 point because yabona nje we only need 1 point engayichaza kakhulu lento because ngenza noma yini kuAlmazri neZesco iZesco bekade donate ama points kade nje idonate ama points into ngayazi ipick up iwin yokuqala kwiZamalek. I'm not sure if izokwazi uphinde ishaye emunye 3 points la kwiAlmazri nekule weekend masibedlala I'm not sure but thina ukuze sizoba safe usiqede khona kulo number 1 wethu we need to beat iZamalek or draw with Zamalek so kwazi ukuthi 13 points noma sithi 11 points so lokho sekulele kwiKaizer mzane sisibhekana futhi neZamalek.
Yabona isizathu seKaizer Chiefs ukuthi iphuma kweNedbank Cup imanga si-understand namuhla ukuthi labo coach into ababenza ukuthi befocus kwiCAF Confederation Cup kakhulu ekuna kwiNedbank ezubona njengamanje Chiefs ihlezi number 1 phezulu
kweLenyoni ngo-10 points landela iZamalek ngo-8 points kube Al Masry kube iZesco ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs game yabo ukugcina boyidlala neZamalek away le kwelaseGibhithe ngicabanga ukuthi kuzoba difficult kakhulu for bona and Al Masry izodlala neZesco. iZesco ke ishintsha izinto namuhla nganye indlela yashaya iZamalek ngo-1-0 and ke ngicabanga ukuthi nawo is obvious ukuthi Al Masry bafethu izewina lo game because iZesco ngathi ishintshile mhlawumbe khona ufuna ukubona khona ufuna ukwenza angazi kepha ke iChiefs bafethu kumele ithole i-draw or i-win ayi-afford ukuthola i-lose cause asazi Al Masry izodlala kanjani bafethu into engiyibonile abona abokhaze lapha le coach be-Chiefs ba-understand i-CAF ngaphezulu kwe-league. Yes, kwi-league basendaweni enhle baku-number 3 and basena ama-chances ukuthi be-challenge lapha kwe-league but kwi-CAF ba-understand ukuthi i-system emele idlaliswe from ngalesikhathi kumele kufakwe ibani ngalesikhathi kumele kufakwe ibani bazamile into abagaye ngayo ukuthi befune first half nje isuka befuna ukudefenda okuyilapha baze bagcina ba-consider khona umsimango ukudlala ngekajazelo kakhulu laphana I think mhlawumbe mfana usashawa i-fitness akakabi mnandi kakhulu because benga-challenge bengenza izinto zenzeka kunemlenze emide kunokuthi nje enze le diving head engenasidingo bathatha igoli bafaka phakathi yakwazi ukuthi group e-Chiefs igoli labo lesibili badlala into enhle kakhulu bawina ifoul balifaka eboxini ngicabanga ukuthi udlala kahle kakhulu kwinika ngale flick akayidlalile yenza usave goalkeeper qhamuka umfana kwamakhathi wenza into emnandi washaya igoli ngicabanga ukuthi naye kulela side lakhe bafana bebeza kabi kakhulu then coach ke be-Chiefs ngoku-understanda i-league bakwazi ukuthi ukuthathe be-add ama-defender asebawu-5 kuphi usuwina not ufaka ama-defender awu-5 ungawini awona-ke ngu-understandile ukuthi okay bayi-understanda i-CAF ngaphezulu kwe-league bayithatha kanjalo-ke u-3 points ukuthi i-Chiefs ihlale la izandla eziphephile 1 game to go ngeyi-15 Zamalek
sithe uba sibona uSalah saphambana sahlanya khange sifune kuva noba nguMohamed Salah noba nguba saphambana wabetha ureferee naye abantwana bamnina nizawubenefita namhlanje namhlanje nizawulala nihlele esicongweni nibabheke ezinhloko sibe sifuna ukukhombisa yena uHugo Bruce lo ukuthi kahle kahle kwakumele ngaba uthumele thina eMorocco ngama thina sabuya nayo thina njengoba sizobuya nayo nje le CAF le nina nizogqibezela ukuthi ngeyiphi CAF sasizobuya nayo iAfcon yabo sasingeke nje sikhishwe elithini kahle kahle yabona nale group iwiki kumele nje sinikeze thina bekumele ngabe sidlala iChampions League ayi lena sicela iMadrid indaba unikezwa lekho serious
awona ama-fans e-Chiefs ayakuthanda ukukhuluma but abaphethe lethu for video namhlanje into engayisho nje ukuthi right now mfethu mina I'm waiting ukubona ipost lapha ku-Facebook or TikTok or whatever ithi Al Masry has lodged a complaint ku-CAF warawara because of poor officiating because phela abazi laba North African teams don't like awathanda lose. North African teams, they don't like losing, especially to South African teams. If they lose to us, I'm just waiting for bonus to complain because bayakuthanda or complain about it. Abakuthanda lose. They are so losers. But again, coming into the game, I feel to i-game ne be-right i-game but ngikhathele manje ukuthi i-game ingekho mnandi but a win is a win but ke a win is a win for amakhosi and futhi I've always been saying this since i-conflict iqala ukuthi vele ngifuna ukuthi i-Chiefs iye all the way to the same results to the quarterfinals and to those Chiefs fans who think ukuthi mhlambe we are sad we are pressed about Chiefs being successful kwi-conflict. Come on, Ofeto. Last time we played the Conference final. Last time we played the Champions League semi-final. I mean, there's levels to this thing. So we're not really stressed about the Conference. Because even like teams like Marumo Gallants before he relegated, Marumo Gallants went all the way to the semi-finals or quarter-finals, then they were relegated. Meaning Guti Ama teams that are not so strong can win the Conference or can make it all the way to Conference. So as Paris fans, we are not stressed about you guys being successful with Confed. Like, not really. And